Alright guys, so it is completely done. I don't want to get too close to give any spoilers on the color. I mean, you might be able to lightly see what it might be, but I don't want to get too close. But regardless, we have a color down, and we did it like that just because we wanted to throw something similar on to what we're gonna paint the car. We don't want it to show silver under the glass or anything like that, just in case. So we did it all from the very top of the roof down the pillars in the color that we might choose. Well, we are gonna go with this shade of color, just no spoilers, no spoilers. I'll show you guys with the glass on. All right. Alright, so the windshield is nice, fresh, clean. We're putting on the molding now that goes around the windshield. Let me show how the repair came out. So this is after painted and cleared. Again, keep in mind we're not 100% using this color, so don't get your hopes up. This isn't the color, but I mean, it definitely came out super nice, super smooth. I mean, very happy with the result. Everything came out that smooth. So yeah, now we're just gonna finish putting on this molding, and then we're both gonna lay the glass.
I'm trying to start at the middle. We see the middle is right here?
Yeah.
Alright. There goes nothing.
From the start, darling, letting you fly to higher and higher. Where you go, can't deny for the sky. Where you go.
Ready?
There's a bingo. I think you're gonna have to guide yourself. I don't know, by like the VIN number maybe.
I don't know. Let's go. Hold it with the bottom just in case, though.
No, you're not supposed to touch it.
Like this. Just in case these plungers let go.
Yeah.
However, we have to trust the plungers. Hold on, let me plunge one more time. Let go, go, close the glass.
Are you sure?
Plunge with the trigger.
Yeah, it's I can't plunge. So you going down first or am I? You got the.
I'm going down 1, 2. Alright, did you land? Did you land up or down? I think you landed down.
Really? It's fine, you can hold it. You can hold it a little up.
I'm like right on that. I'm good.
Yeah. I'm good now.
Wow, you're down?
Not super down. I'm
Hey,
chilling.
over here, you're squeezing my gasket.
But now, here's the thing: is the gasket supposed to go under or over?
I think that's how the gasket goes, like that.
All right, get the fat one or any of them, or just put like 4. Budget bills, Papa. Budget bills.
All right, guys. So the windshield is in with the new gasket. We put this tape on so it wouldn't move around while we were putting on the windshield, just in case. I'm not even gonna lie. Me and him, we were freaking out. This is our first time ever doing anything like this, and I mean, when you consider all the work that we had to do and then how bad it would be or how crappy it would be if we had to remove this glass again to fix an error, it's like I was shaking laying down the bead. Our arms were like cramping up, but it's on, and I think we did a pretty good job. I'm pretty confident we did a good job. So we're gonna let it cure, and I mean, we're gonna water test it tomorrow, and we'll go from there. But I mean, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I think for our first time, it came out good. So we're excited. We're excited.